So we went to the junkyard, took a little trip, didn't get shit. Nah, man, they can't. All the OBSs are like destroyed. No dashes, no seats, no center consoles. Yeah, basically nothing but bumpers and wheels. He would just go in there and hack everything up, man. I got the rubbers for the doors, left and right, and then the hood thingy, whatever, cover piece. We got the switch for the brake light, for the brake lights, right? The clip, clip. We got that piece for the Ranger, so now it's not going like this. And then right now we're gonna do a temporary fix on the headlights. We got some snacks, you know what I'm saying? Sandwiches. We're gonna do a temporary fix on the headlights. What are we gonna do for the headlights? For them to work?
Just hook it up to the
camera. Into the microphone.
Hook it up to the old wires.
Yeah, we're gonna do something. Too low to grow innovations. Seems sick. Sheesh. Got the Reese Mobile. Alright. Try to drive the motherfucker home today. Got to sand and buff the muds. Get this truck car out of here. So we'll do a quick simple video about swapping it, and then like I said, I got the conversion kit coming. It was on Amazon. It was pretty cheap, but it'll be here Thursday, I believe. And then I ordered the handles, I ordered the new locks, I ordered a bunch of parts just to get the basics going for now. I am gonna end up swapping the whole door for a power door, power window. So just doing that little for now. I got these weather strips. These are like not even. So we'll swap these out. Oh damn, I do have that piece. We're gonna need new door panels, obviously the power ones. This whole door is gonna be gone. I found some seats at the junkyard. I might go back for them. They weren't great, but they're not bad. Might do an NBS, do the NBS ones. Like I said, no dash. They were all gone or destroyed. So hopefully I can find one here local, so I don't have to spend too much on it. And then we got obviously the hood, like you said. It's the 4-inch cow hood from Kelvin, Sideways King Bulls. Put that on later. Doesn't need it right now. Can I get the basics going? All right. Starting on the fucking temporary fix, which is to make just the low beams work.
You want those?
Damn, I don't even know, dude. Hey, which one's the low beam? Which one's the high beam? Fun?
I don't think it matters. You can't see shit as long as they see that you got something on.
All right. So we're gonna. Where the pieces at?
Alright. On the windshield.
Got the piece that goes to the new south front end headlights, and they're just gonna go into the old plug, turn on the low beam or high beam, doesn't fucking matter, as long as there's some kind of light coming out. Still gotta figure out the turn signal, but as long as that works for now, that's all we need, baby. Hopefully I can see at night, see how it goes. get it. All right, let's see it.
How to do it or turn on?
Yeah, how do you do it? Real quick, real quick.
I already did it.
All right, so you already did one.
Buy
But
one of these
boom,
and then just get 2 spade connectors.
there you go.
Crimp them on there.
Nice and flush.
Plug it into whatever light you want to turn
So
on.
this is the new headlight, the different style.
Grab your plug. These 2. 1, 2.
Fucking push the baby over.
Who, the dog?
No, Sebas.
1.
Sebas.
Who the fuck is this?
Plug it in. So this is the old connection here, the 3-prong. It looks like a fucking, like a washer or dryer from when you're home. Fuck no. Hey!
Now you can drive.
You
and finish.
fucking savage. Hit the brake though, hit the brake. Hit the brake. Fucking Christmas tree up in this bitch. Yeah, I don't know what that is. If anyone knows, let me know. I don't know what's going on. Every time he hits a brake, so the brake lights work now? In theory? This one works.
Yeah.
A ver. Yup. Hell yeah. Huh?
Third.
The third? No, bitch. There's no third. There's no light. Alright, cool. So we're good to roll. We can mob it now. For now.
Still on?
Good?
I guess.
I guess that's it for this video. That's a temporary fix. Obviously not gonna keep it like that. We got some parts ordered. Hopefully they get here soon. Go to the actual harness. It just plugs in right to that.
Yeah, to the
So it's even easier than that. And it should have. It comes in a set. So basically, a set for the headlights and a set for the marker lights, but we don't need the marker lights. So we're gonna get that convergent kit, get the new headlights, LEDs from Luna,
Put it on site.
and that's it. That's gonna be it for this video.
That's it.
Pretty much.
We're not gonna do
Got-
the
Oh, the radio. Gotta do the fucking radio. Alright, we might put it in here. Wiggle it. Hard. No, güey, tampoco no mames. A la verga. Hit the brakes. Esta pinche luz mamona. Let go of the brakes. That's how I'm gonna turn. I'll just hit the brake a few times before I turn. Alright, act like you're turning. Pump it so it looks like you're turning. There you go. Ah, yeah. I'm only gonna do rights, fool. No lefts. Ahí está. Ya quedó. And that concludes today's fucking video. Alright, let's go to sleep.